Sequence and Series, Kcse 2017, question number 23. The fifth term of an AP is 82 and the 12th term is 103. Find 1. The first term and the common difference. 2. The sum of the first 21 terms. And then part B. Staircase was built such that each subsequent stair has a uniform difference in height. The height of the sixth stair from the horizontal floor was 85 centimeters and the height of the 10th stair was 145 centimeters. Calculate the height of the first stair and the uniform difference in height of the stairs. Part C. During the construction of the staircase, each step was supported by a vertical piece of timber. If the staircase has 11 stairs, calculate the total length of the timber used. 2 marks. Let's go to the first part. Go to the first part. The first part, you're given the fifth term of the AP is 82 and the 12th term is 103. So in an AP, the nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, where A is the first term, n is the position of the term, and D is the common difference. So to write the fifth term, n will be 5. So we'll have the first term plus n will be 5, subtract 1, then multiply by the common difference. The fifth term is 82. This is equation 1. The 12th term, A plus n will be 12, subtract 1, multiply by D, that is 103. That gives us the second equation. So once you multiply these are you're going to get. The first, from the first one here, we shall have A plus 4D is equals to 82. And then the 12th term, we will get A plus 11D is equals to 103. So we therefore have these two equations to solve simultaneously. Once we solve these two equations simultaneously, we'll be able to obtain the value of A and D. Remember, the first term is A and the common difference is D. So we can use the elimination method to eliminate A. So we can subtract the two equations the way they are. So A subtract A is eliminated. 4D subtract 11D, negative 7D is equals to, then you take 82 subtract 103, 82 subtract 103, you'll get 21, that is negative 21. You get negative 21. Then you can see you have negative both sides, so the common difference will be 3. So that is how you get the common difference. Once you've got the common difference, now you can get the first term, which is A, by just substituting. So you can just substitute in any of these. Maybe you can use this one. So A plus 4D is equals to 82. So when D is equals to 3, so A plus 4 multiplied by 3, that is 4D, is equals to 82. And therefore, A will be given by 82 subtract 12. And therefore, A will be 70. So that is the common difference, and that is the first term. We go to part 2. The sum of the first 21 terms. So how do you get the sum of a given number of terms of an AP? It is given by this formula, which is very important. Sum of a given number of terms, let's say n, is given by n divided by 2 then 2a plus n subtract 1 d is the brackets. So where n is the number of terms, like in this case, n is 21, so you're getting the sum of 21 terms. So n will be 21 divided by 2, that, then 2 times a is 70, plus n, 21 minus 1, then common difference is 3, like that. So 21 divided by 2, this will give 10.5. This is 140, plus this will be 20 multiplied by 3, which is 60. Then you shall have 10.5 multiplied by 200. 140 plus 60, that is 200. And this will give, when you multiply these, you will get 2100. So 2100 is the sum of the first 21 terms. We go to part B. A staircase was built such that each subsequent stair has uniform difference in height. The height of the 6th stair from the horizontal floor was 85 centimeters, and the height of the 10th stair was 145 centimeters. Calculate the height of the first stair. As the question, the first stair, and the uniform difference in height of the stairs. So when you look at this question, you read it and analyze it, you notice that this staircase is forming an arithmetic progression. It is an AP. Why? Because there is a common difference. There is a uniform difference in height. That each subsequent stair has a uniform difference. So the stairs are forming an arithmetic progression. The reason is because there is a uniform difference between one stair and the next. So the height of the 6th stair, so the 6th stair in this case will represent the 6th term of an arithmetic progression. And then the 10th stair will represent the 10th term of an arithmetic progression. So you're given that the 6th stair from the horizontal, its height is 85. So how do you write the 6th term of an arithmetic progression? Just remember the nth term. We wrote that on before. A plus is given by a plus 1, a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So the 6th, the height of the 6th stair, which is given as 85 centimeters, is given by the height of the first stair, which is a, plus n. It is the 6th stair, therefore n will be 6, subtract 1, 6 subtract 1, that will be 5, and then multiply by that uniform difference, which we don't know, so we leave it like that. So this will give us the first equation, that a plus 5d is equals to 85. That is the first equation. Then the other equation will come from the height of the 10th stair is 145. So that one corresponds to this, the 10th term of an AP. So the 10th term, which is the height of the 10th stair, which is 145 centimeters, is given by a, the height of the first term, then n minus 1, n, since it is the 10th stair, will be 10 minus 1, which is 9, and multiply by d. So from here we shall get a plus d, a plus 9d is equals to 145. So there we have the second equation. So from that we have two equations. Those are the two equations. and we can solve them simultaneously. So simply bring this one here. Sorry, just bring this one here. So this is A plus 5D is equals to 85. Question 1. So I can solve these two. Simultaneously. When I solve them simultaneously, I'll get the value of A and D. So I'll use elimination method, whereby I'm going to eliminate A. So A subtract A, so I subtract the two equations. A subtract A, that is eliminated. 9D subtract 5D, that will give 4D is equals to 145 subtract 85, that will give 60. And therefore the common difference will be given by 15. That is 15 centimeters. Then from there we can use substitution and get the height of the first stair, which is A in this case. So simply use the first equation. From the first equation here, do substitution. A plus 5D is equals to 85. So when D is equals to 15, so A plus 5 times 15 is equals to 85. So A is equals to 85. Subtract 5 times 15 will be 75, and A is equals to 10. So the height of the first stair is 10 centimeters. Then the common difference, that uniform difference in height, is 15. So the question is, calculate the height of the first stair and the common difference. So we have it already. So here is the uniform difference, then the first stair. That is the height of the first stair is given there. So that is how we work out that. We go to the next part. During the construction of the staircase, each step was supported by a vertical piece of timber. If the staircase has 11 stairs, calculate the total length of the timber used. So when you look at this question, we want to find the total length of the timber used, and this timber is supporting the 11 stairs. So that means if we get the total length from the first stair to the 11th stair, that will be the length of the timber that is going to be used, that will support all the 11 stairs. So in short, this length of timber will represent the sum of all the height of the stairs. We get from the first stair to the 11th stair, we get the height of each stair. We get the first height, we add the second height, the third height, the fourth height, and so on up to the 11 stairs. So in short, these will be the sum of 11 terms, and these terms are the height of the stairs, each stair, so 11 of them. So when you get the whole of that sum, that will give us the total length of this timber that is going to support all the stairs, 11 stairs. So the sum is given by this formula, n divided by 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, like that. So n, because getting the sum of these 11 stairs, the height of the 11 stairs, so we have 11 divided by 2, then 2 multiplied by a will be the height. We are adding all the height from the first stair. A will be the height of the first stair, which we calculated. We got that on to be 10. Then plus n is 11, subtract 1. Then the uniform difference, we got it. The uniform difference is 15. Like that. So this is 11 divided by 2, we get 5.5. Then this will be 20 plus this will be 11 minus 1, 10 times this will be 150. So this will be 5.5 multiplied by this is 170. So simply multiply 5.5 multiply by 170. This will give 935 centimeters